Today we got a video from Body Cam Boss, and the title of the video is entitled "Woman Fights Boyfriend Driving 100 Miles Per Hour, Then Makes Things Worse."
On March 28, 2025, officers responded to a call of a domestic dispute that led to a vehicle losing control.
Be about an 1/8 mile north off of 34. Be a maroon in color passenger car. So when you come back to my location, this is going to be the vehicle we're looking for. What's up, man? Are you all right?
Yeah, we're doing okay. We just left the funeral.
Okay.
You all right? Yeah, we're doing okay. Son of a bitch.
I know, it's bad. Who's all in there?
Me and my girlfriend.
Is she hurt?
No, she's not hurt. I held on to her when we lost control.
Okay.
We came out.
What's in your pocket? What's in your pocket right there? Anything? Okay, you're good.
Just a vape.
Cool.
Just nicotine.
Okay, so what happened? You guys are flying.
So we were arguing. We were going back and forth. She just left the funeral, so she's just dealing with the emotions and everything right now.
Okay.
And I saw the turn coming up, and I tried to hit on the brake, and that's when we slid because I saw that turn was coming up, and we were coming right down. And I tried to brake coming across.
This is going to be that vehicle.
I tried to brake coming across, and because of how fast we were going, I lost control, so I just tried to kind of hold it, and it brought us off the side of the road.
I got them both. Just come back here. Okay, so I need your guys' IDs. You got an ID on you?
I have a picture of mine, but I don't have the physical copy.
You guys ain't hurt or anything, are you?
No, none of us are hurt. None of us are injured.
Negative.
Shocker, no ID.
When I hit the brake, I tried to hold that lane coming around, and I lost control of it.
I seen you. I watched the whole thing.
Yeah, I tried to hold it coming through, and it just shot us out sideways.
Okay. Where are you from?
I'm originally from Carbondale. I work over at Ashley Furniture in Carbondale.
Oh, in Carbondale?
Yeah.
Cool. Okay. All right. And I'm sorry about that.
Yes,
Okay.
I know you are.
I just do my job, okay?
Yes, I want you to do your job. I appreciate you. I'm telling you, we're fine.
Okay.
You need a copy of, or do you need a picture of my license?
I'm just going to run it, and as long as we're good, okay? I mean, if you had a picture, that'd be cool.
Yeah, I have a picture of it in my phone.
That'd be awesome.
Can I please go home?
Not yet. I'm sorry.
Cool.
Man, what's your name? What's your name? Look, you can either cooperate or you can go to jail. I don't care. I really don't.
You can call my lawyer.
I don't need a lawyer. You have to identify you've been involved in a traffic crash.
Can you not do this right now?
It's really, really simple.
Like, this is one of the easiest things in the world.
Yeah.
Can you not do this right now?
Yeah. We are not here to get you guys in trouble. We're not here to do anything, but I have to identify who's in this vehicle.
Listen, shit.
So I'll be completely upfront, okay? So we actually are responding out here.
Yeah.
Okay, for a male and a female involved in a verbal altercation is what they were saying.
Yeah.
Okay. They actually said you got out of the vehicle and was walking with the bag.
I walked away into the middle
Okay,
of the
so
field.
you guys already been called in.
Okay.
So that's why we're here.
What?
Yes.
Okay, that is very false.
Oh, it's not false. He just admitted to it.
It's not false. I got out of the
That
car.
is false.
Me
No.
walking across the field, there's nothing false about that.
Yeah.
Because if somebody saw me walking across,
Oh my god, shut
there's
up.
no way of denying.
Shut up!
No, that's not how this goes. It's not how this goes at all.
Man, the easier it makes.
Bruh, you need to cut her loose, man. She is gonna drag you down, man. You need to cut her loose. I could already tell the attitude and the listen. Cut her loose, man. I'm trying to tell you.
You make this really easy on yourself.
Yeah, I understand. I work in the law for 18.
Okay, so then give me your name.
You're not making it easier. You're making it fucking harder.
Well, my lawyer, her name is Paula Newcomb.
Okay, I am telling you, give me your name,
Paula Newcomb.
or you're going to jail for not identifying yourself. I don't care.
Can I give you her first
Paula
and last?
Newcomb.
Do what?
Can I give you her first?
Nope.
Or you can give me your ID.
No.
Well, I can get either one of those.
We need full name.
That's mine.
Date of birth.
No. Call my phone.
I ain't calling nobody. What you're going to need is a call.
Give us your information. You're going to go to jail, and we're going to get it.
I don't care. Take me to jail. Here. Go ahead. Don't give a shit.
Are you insane?
Hold on one second.
Nope. I just left a funeral.
And you're involved in a traffic crash.
Yep. Great. Take me to jail. Don't
Give me your... Simple.
Nope.
All right. Try not to take you to jail.
No, I don't. Take me, please. Her name is... Her cell phone number is...
I don't call.
I don't give a shit. Put me in the car. Put the handcuffs on. I know my fucking rights.
Okay, then you know you have to identify if you're
You
involved.
have to identify yourself.
Or I can tell you don't give a shit and you're gonna take me to jail. Here you go.
You gonna give me your name or not? I'm gonna give you another opportunity. All right.
Make sure you call my lawyer.
I ain't calling nobody.
Well, that's my right. And neither of
You can call.
read my Miranda rights.
We don't read them. If you're in law, you know that. Come on, move. One female, 95.
You think I'm 95?
No, it's called a code that we use.
Oh, great. You know,
Walk.
in the-
Walk.
I'm fine. Call fucking Pella.
Get in the car. Get in the car. I'm gonna put you in the car.
Yeah, I'm fine.
Get in the car. Step up and get in the
How
car.
the fuck am I supposed to step
I don't know.
up? I
Figure it
have
out.
a hand.
Use your legs.
Literally.
What are you doing?
Are you fucking?
What are you doing right now?
Can you help
Yeah.
me,
Let's go.
sir?
Come on. I don't want to hurt you. Here. You ready? Jump. Go.
Paula Newcomb.
Yeah. You're under arrest. Sorry, man. Can't help you on that one.
What is she doing?
Okay. He's going to help you with this. I'm taking her because she gets more and more. We'll call you. Come to the jail and we'll talk. Fair enough?
Yeah,
Let him just get this out.
that's fair. I mean, that's fair. The car's not fucking damaged or anything.
Okay.
I
We're
just
going to get a
don't-
tow to get you out of here because you're stuck.
Yeah, I just don't.
But I have to get her to jail.
What the
I don't know. She's been drinking, I could tell. Right here, somewhere.
Right where? Because I didn't even see that part.
Right here. I'll let take it to jail.
Okay. I'm going to take her to jail.
Okay.
Hey,
Who's driving?
him.
I was driving the car. Her and I were having. Got out of the car and walked across the field.
I got to go. Are you good? Yeah. He's cooperative.
The woman was charged with obstructing identification and resisting arrest. Think
The guy was pretty cool. You know? But yeah. Nah, I ain't. You got a bad one, man. You got a bad one. Got a bad one, man. Got a bad one, man. Trying to tell you, gotta cut her loose. Gotta cut her loose, man. She is not, no. She ain't it, bruh. I'm trying to tell you. She ain't it. That's all I got to say. She ain't it, man. She don't know how to act. She can't act right. Nope, gotta cut her loose, man. If you don't cut her loose, she gonna drag you down with you. Or she gonna drag you down with her, okay? You the one driving, trying to get from point A to point B safe, and she probably doing everything, yelling, probably grabbing the wheel, probably hitting at him, and all types of stuff probably going on, man. All types of stuff going on. You know, it got so bad he had to get out the car and start walking, like get away from her, man. Like, look, you got to do all of that. Wrong one, man. Wrong one. Got it. Send her back, you know, bad fish. You know what I mean? Got to send her back in the pond. You know what I mean? Go get you another one. Know what I mean? Go. Like going fishing. Go get you another one. Send that one back. Send it back. Send it back, man. Send it back to the streets, man. Nah, go ahead. Go get you another one, man. Cause that one ain't gonna cut it. Cop get a 5. Send her back to the streets, man. I'm trying to go get another one. The ShyGotEm Correctional Facility is now open, where we specialize in act right and getting them together. If you want to become an officer, check out the YouTube membership. If you want to be a sergeant or above, check out the Patreon. Your support helps the channel keep going, and I hope to see you in lineup.